In this video, we're going to show you how to create and use multileaders in AutoCAD. Multileaders are one of the most useful annotation tools available in AutoCAD. They help you add notes, labels, instructions, and callouts that point directly to specific objects in your drawing. Instead of placing text separately and hoping viewers understand what it refers to, multileaders create a clear visual connection between your note and the object being described. This feature is widely used in architectural, mechanical, civil, and engineering drawings because it improves communication and makes designs easier to understand. Whether you're identifying components, labeling dimensions, or providing construction notes, multileaders can help make your drawings look more professional and organized. Many AutoCAD users spend a lot of time editing drawings, but they often overlook annotation tools that can greatly improve readability. Learning how to use multileaders properly can help ensure that anyone reviewing your drawing can quickly understand the information being presented. So, let's get started. The first method is to use the multileader command. Type mleader into the command line and press Enter. Next, click on the object or location you want to point to. Then move your cursor and click where you want the text to appear. A text editor will automatically open. Type your note, label, or description, and then click outside the editor to finish creating the multileader. Your multileader will now point directly to the selected object while displaying your text. If you need to make changes later, simply double-click the text and edit it. You can also select the multileader and drag its grip points to reposition the leader line or move the text to a better location. In most situations, this is all you need to create and use multileaders effectively. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, start the multileader command and select the object or location you want to reference. Second, place the leader line and enter the text you want to display. And third, edit or reposition the multileader whenever needed using the available grip points. Remember that multileaders are designed to improve drawing clarity. Instead of cluttering your drawing with disconnected notes, they provide a direct visual reference that makes information easier to follow. They are especially useful in large projects where multiple notes and labels need to be displayed clearly. A well-organized drawing can save time, reduce misunderstandings, and make collaboration much easier. Taking a few minutes to learn multileaders can significantly improve the quality and professionalism of your drawings. It's a small feature, but it plays a big role in creating clear and effective documentation. And that's how to create and use multileaders in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.